There's nobody that can fulfill this role like you. And God is going to show you very soon just why you have been chosen for this role. Whether it is the role of a business partner, a romantic partner, musician, creative, artist, whatever it is, a lawyer, legal terms, business terms, whatever it is that the role that you've been called to fulfill, whatever the role is, God is going to show you very soon, within the next week, exactly why you have been chosen for it and why it is so important for you to fulfill this role for your soul's expansion. Whether it is that you're creating music, you're guiding others and teaching and holding space, whether it is that you're a business partner and you're creating new inventions that will help this world, or you're a romantic partner that is holding space and creating a beautiful life with someone, whatever it is, God is going to show you this week why you were created for the role. And there are auspicious blessings coming in, good things that want to take place. You have to allow them, you have to listen and allow them in. And when I say listen and allow, there are certain actions and steps you will have to take to align, but you cannot do it wrong. You must trust the divine time. You must trust yourself, your heart. Your heart. Leading with your heart is what is so important in these next steps. So important. I'm like smacking my chest right now. And staying regulated, nervous system regulation, grounded, and listening to your internal guidance system. You have been called to fulfill a specific role. Nobody can do it like you. So trust yourself. God is about to show you why you were chosen. And there are some beautiful things coming in for you very soon. Mountains might be very significant for you. Hawks, deer, elk, moose. Okay. Trees, pine trees, trees in general. Okay, thank you, Spirit. Ladybugs, phoenix. Thank you, Spirit. That's just things, 888, thank you. Just what's coming out for synchronicities right now to know that this message is for you. And if you've made it to this part of the video, it definitely is for you because not everybody makes it to this part of the video. So if you made it to this part of the video, drop a mountain emoji in the comments. And if you're new here, I'm glad to have you here. My name is Melissa. Welcome in. If you would like to dive into a personalized reading or a private session, everything that I offer is linked in the description, and I would be honored to hold that space for you. Sending you so much love, and I will see you in the next aligned channeled message that's for you.